Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have a Dollarama haul and some pieces are new to me. Doesn't mean they haven't been there, but they are new to me. So I got, first is this paper pad. I already had it, but I used quite a bit of pieces out of it, and I really like the hearts and the foil. And of course, it's all the colors that I love. I just think this paper is really pretty. So I have that one, and then this one I hadn't seen before, and this has got the 24 foiled sheets as well, and this one's quite different. I know my girl Tammy from Tammy's Creative Cards and Crafts will probably like the coloring in here, the turquoise and that, very pretty. And like this piece here it's all foiled. It's really nice. Be nice for Christmas. So that is those. I mean, you can't go wrong. They're only like $4, so. But I think I have enough paper pads. And then of course I picked up more of these tulle that I got. I shared these before, but I didn't have the purple, and I didn't have this blue, so I'm looking forward to using those to make some more bows or some other projects. And you know, $1.25, can't go wrong. And then I picked up these, and I'm hoping to make some bows out of it as well. So they get the iridescent on the edging of it, and the flowers are really cute. So I got those three. And then these two colors as well, but I could add that to my stock or to my stash. These stickers, now I believe these were there, but I've never purchased them before. I thought they were kind of cute. They have like the animal print on it, like with the zebra and all that stuff on there. So I thought those were really cute. Then I seen these wooden stickers, and they got the heart and the flower, and I figured I might be able to paint those. I have lots of paint in that, so thought those would be cute as well. And then I got these pearl stickers. Now I hadn't seen these ones before, but when you're not really looking, you know, for that type of item, then you don't really see that stuff. But you know, I thought those were really great to have, the little pearl stickers, you know, with the, not really pearl, but flat back, you know, silver and gold little gem pieces there. And then I found these cork fabric sheets, and I thought those were really different. This print is really cute. Loving that. So those were some different things that I thought I would pick up and share with you guys. But that's all I have from this haul, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.